Well, today we had our members who are privatized janitors who work in public institutions. First of all, so we could explain to them what we negotiated in the BOMA contract, why we have to keep moving ahead and get a responsible bidder ordinance.
The responsible bidder ordinance just guarantees a prevailing wage. It means that a contractor cannot come and say, hey, we're going to pay less than what the people are making now. Hey, we're going to give you less health benefits than what you're getting now. No, you're going to start here and build up. Back in September, the city decided they're not going to pay the prevailing wage to the workers out in O'Hare. That's the first time it's ever happened, and everybody was taken by surprise. But we rallied. We came back, we came and fought, we came with the postcards, we came out in the streets, we came with the media, and ultimately we won.
When I started in July the 1st of 1998, I was merely making $7.15, which was not enough money to support me or my family. Thanks to the victory of our contract we just recently won, that I'll be making $15.45 after 15 years of employment.
We can't have public policies that are pushing workers further down, devaluing them. We've got to have public policies that are raising workers up so that everybody can earn a living and enjoy the promise of America. And that promise is if you work hard, you can get ahead, you can take care of your family, you can have security, and you can have a brighter future.
We have to get this ordinance passed.
Because it's important for all working people and all families.
It has to be a law.
It's to protect society itself because we are all a part of society. And if we don't have wages to support ourselves, what are we reduced to?
It's all about America. America is a place where if you work hard, you should be able to reap the benefits of what you work. And right now, it's not like that. It's only the 1% is the only ones who are profiting off the 99%. And it's time to change. We are the 99%, and we will rise up.
All the Latinos, we come into this country to work. We build this country more stronger. Not only the Latinos, I mean Americans, African Americans, everybody, we need to work. We deserve something better.
It's tough.
The food prices are going up, the gas prices are going up, and it seems like our wages is being stagnant.
We showed the city that together we can stand up to them, and you will give us what we want because we are together.
We don't demand nothing impossible. The only thing that we need is we have a better life. That's it.
We're going to go to the mayor and say, hey, pass this.
We need to understand that if we stand together and not afraid to fight, that we can win. For any of those workers or any unions now that think they should play it safe or dig in, they're only going to bury themselves. It's time for unions and for all working people to stand up and fight for their rights, fight for economic justice, and fight for social justice.
We need a responsible bidders ordinance.